Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I create hyper-realistic hair step by step using charcoal and graphite pencils. First, let's go over the materials. I'm using a brush, an electric eraser, 2 graphite pencils, a hard charcoal pencil, a medium charcoal pencil, and a blending stump. To start, grab your charcoal pencil and draw light, gentle strokes in the direction the hair is flowing. Now, you don't need these exact tools to follow along. The most important materials are a charcoal pencil and a graphite pencil. If you have those, you can definitely achieve a realistic result. The key to hyperrealism is to think of your subject not as individual strands, but as a series of values, from dark to medium to light tones. Next, I'll use a graphite pencil to draw the hair strands in the highlight areas. Now, it's time to blend. I'm using a blending stump, but you can use anything you have, like a brush, a cotton swab, or even your finger. Be careful not to press too hard when blending the highlight areas. If you do, it'll be difficult to create those bright highlights later on. After blending, I'll go back in with the charcoal pencil to create more hair strands. This process is all about layers. You'll repeat it, gradually adding strokes and shading the shadow areas until you're happy with the result. Then, I'll use the brush to create a smoother transition between the values before adding even more strokes with the charcoal pencil. Just keep repeating this layering process until the hair looks full and rich. Once the hair is looking good, it's time to add the highlights with my electric eraser. Electric erasers can be a little tricky, especially for fine lines. I often use mine without turning it on to have more control and create a straighter line. I make sure to clean the eraser frequently to get the finest, most refined highlights. Here you can see I'm adding some reflected highlights on the sides, using my reference photo for guidance. Moving on to the braided section, the process is exactly the same. First, create the hair strands, following the direction of the braid. The strands here are slanted, so your stroke should follow that same flow. The areas where the hairs intersect will be the darkest points. And the highlights will follow the pattern of the braid. Finally, I'll shade the ear and a bit of the neck to make the entire drawing feel more natural and realistic. Before we wrap up, here are 3 tips to keep in mind for drawing hair. 1. Observe the direction of the hair strands. 2. Look at the hair as a whole, focusing on the different values, from light to medium to dark. 3. Always go from light to dark. This allows you to build up your values gradually and make adjustments as you go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!